Hello. Well, you've made it to week 6. That's 1/3 of the way through the course. So you're doing great. I hope today, I'm taping this on Valentine's Day, so I hope you had a great time today with your loved ones and didn't eat too many of the lipids or those sugars. Just a few reminders before we get into the lipid chapter. Please get into the team area. It's a great resource place, and not very many people are taking advantage of it, but a few teams are. So they've found it to be very helpful, so please go in there. Also, take time to take your tests. You have plenty of time to do them. Don't rush. Just take your time and do your best. On forums, everybody's doing a really good job, and you're replying to me on the first thread. Please read some of your fellow classmates' stuff. It's really good, and you really learn a lot from it. On the lipids chapter, we're going to talk about fats, oils, phospholipids, and sterols. The chapter, just like there's good and bad carbs, there's good and bad fats, and there's good and bad sterols. So this chapter covers all that really, really well. Also discusses the omega-3 and 6 fatty acids to help you understand those better, and also in the blood, the HDL, LDL, and now coming in on your blood tests are the VLDLs, which are very bad. Fats are very useful, so we can't just cut them out of our diet. So please look at the table 5-1, it's on page 146, and that will tell you some of the very positive reasons why we have to have enough fat in our diet. Something that you could do this week that's kind of fun and interesting. Don't go out and cook something special. I didn't have anything to cook today, or I would have showed you myself. When you cook up a hamburger, if you're frying it, sausage, bacon, anything that will cook in a pan so you can save the drippings, go ahead and pour those drippings in a glass jar or something where you can see it. And just take a look after a couple hours how much of it is saturated fats. It'll be very eye-opening and what we're putting inside. And then if you could imagine that layer of fat inside of our blood vessels, we couldn't pump blood through it. So that's kind of an object lesson. So if you have time to try it, you can cook it at home. If you have kids at home, they always think that's fun to see that fat get solid. Remember, if it's solid at room temperature, not good. Well, I want you to have a great week, and we'll be talking to you soon, and hope everybody does a great job on their unit exam. So far, so good. Talk to you soon. Hasta.